So what's going on, guys? It's your boy Y.U.S.M.B, and today I present to you guys with another reaction video. As you guys can see stated on the title, I'm going to be reacting over STORMZY's newest track called Sounds of the SKENG. Yeah. Alright, this just dropped like, what, 3 or 4 hours ago? So, I hope y'all do enjoy today's video overall. If you do, make sure to drop a like, comment in the comment section box below, subscribe if you're new and enjoy the content, share the videos will. Road to 200k, sharing the video, because if y'all miss with my reactions, I know the next group of people will. And yeah, man, other than that, let's just dive right into this.
Big bang, take little back, I got that chunk on me. I ain't switch, you can't eat, I got that drum on me. A couple niggas switched up, some stay solid. Put your fucking hands on me, I'ma catch your body. Big bang, take little back, I got that chunk on me.
Alright guys, here we go. 3 minutes and 24 seconds long. Y'all already know STORMZY, my boy, man. And when I first started reacting to UK music, he was one of the first people I reacted to. And I just been hooked to him ever since. So let's see what he cooking in the pot, man. I haven't reacted to a song of his since YUSMB. Is it on the Nuke 2K or Madden? It gotta be, cause that's a classic already, and it's only been out for a few months. Classic and education. He on the roof with it.
And it's like 5 whole years on the circuit. Every single year I murk it. Every single year. I switch floors, they jerk it. I flip mode and reverse it.
And that first line was facts. Let's take it back. We gotta hear him correctly, my nigga. Hold on.
5 whole years on the circuit. Every single year I murk it. Every single year. I switch floors, they jerk it. I flip mode and reverse it. Told bro reimburse it. I just hope that it's worth it. Give me that, give me that. Cause if it's up a bitch ass, then girl, I'ma make it look perfect. I'ma make it look perfect. Kai probably deserves it. See old school man.
Oh, that's dope.
Please don't let him resurface. They go the fastest, I go the furthest. And the nigga been the hardest. And I bun all my man might kick off your face, I'm worse. Man might.
Hey, yo, y'all need to really take these scenes in. Y'all see how the kids is following him and taking notes? He's basically telling us, like, I know the kids are watching, so I'm trying to set an example. He knows he's a leader. That's why I fuck with STORMZY, bro. This man is goated. The fuck is you talking about? And he just beat the fuck out that camera. That man literally flew back. Tough. And look at that little girl over there. She look confused as fuck. But anyways.
And I bun all my man might kick off your face, I'm worse. Man might leave with your babes on burst. Man just bad up the place and murk. Then man lift up a waist man skirt. You man ain't been entirely truthful, have you? I know the truth can hurt. I know that I know my 2 hands work. I know that I know I do man dirt. Allow me again, this that. Sounds of the skeng. I knew foul my friends, foul with a pen. Dogs start howling again. My dogs them are different. Nigga, I miss the skeng, spot the difference. Big Mike don't need no assistance. So please give a nigga some distance. Name a nigga that's this consistent. You man just love begging it too much. You man love the Americans too much. I do the most, but it's never been too much.
Oh, hey, hold on. Oh, hold on, bruh. Did he just throw a shot?
You man just love begging it too much. You man love the Americans too much. I do the most.
Damn, this nigga just threw a shot. Yo, I'm over here praising this nigga. He just threw a whole shot. That's hilarious, bro. So, there's 2 ways that we could see this as an American. You could see this as, oh damn, STORMZY dissing us. Or we could see it as, okay, the Americans dick suck the Americans too much as well. You know what I'm saying? Now, honestly, STORMZY could be talking about the mumble rappers, the niggas that making it that literally is just as non-original as the next motherfucker. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, man, there's a lot of ways how you can see that. Honestly, it just depends on the type of person that hears this, if they gonna take it to heart or not. But we already know I'm Y.U.S.M.B. We already know I'm cool as hell, so he threw a shot. I don't give a fuck. You know what I'm saying? Go crazy. I still fuck with you. Yeah.
Nigga that's this consistent. You man just love begging it too much. You man love the Americans too much. I do the most, but it's never been too much. Go coast to coast and I never get moved up fast. We talking racks. We talking plaques. All stats. I rude boy, you do the math. So I look chilly in the south, but I live in the sticks now. Really been about, but they think I'm a prick now. Got a little money in the car.
Oh, that's dope.
Now. But it's funny it fits now. The sauce don't stick to the bag, it drips now. You niggas thought you were bad, you pissed now. Cause that boy got to the bag, he rich now. I hope you niggas know what it is now. But man might kick off your face, I'm worse. Man might leave with your babes, I'm burst.
Going off, bro.
Place and murk. Then man lift up a waist man skirt. You man ain't been entirely truthful, have you? I know the truth can hurt. I know that I know my two hands work. I know that I know I do man dirt. So allow me again, this that. Sounds of the skeng.
I fuck with this hook.
Dogs start howling again. My dogs them are different. Nigga around Mr. Skeng's got the difference. Big Mike don't need no assistance.
And these airs hard.
So please give a nigga some distance. Name a nigga that's this consistent. Name a nigga that's this on point. Froze, wrist on point. For the trolls, fist on point. Get your pose and your list on point. Wait there, little niggas wanna diss this joint. They're trying to figure out what is this joint. Me and Flipper come and flip this joint. My fist big like miss this joint. Little niggas can't hit this joint.
Hey.
When I rip this joint. Man talk dirt on my name, but the truth is they're not realistic points. Big it in person, whipping excursion. My niggas whip this joint. Don't talk like President flips his joint. Real niggas gonna dig this joint, but man might kick off. Man might leave with your babes on burst. Man just bad up the place and murk. Then man lift up a waist man skirt. You man ain't been entirely truthful, have you? I know the truth can hurt. I know that I know my two hands work. I know that I know I do man dirt. So allow me again, this that. Sounds of the skeng. I knew foul, my friends foul with a pen. Dogs start howling again. My dogs them are different. Nigga around Mr. Skeng.
Bro, these airs are so cold, cuz.
So please give a nigga some distance.
Bro, they ain't got the red Clifford, they got the black one. Fuck is you talking about? They got this fat ass dog hovering over them. They gonna get their ass eaten. No.
Name a nigga that's this consistent.
Stormzy goofy as hell. Let me talk about something. But no, man. This track was heat. I really enjoyed the storyline of the whole scenario of the music video. When the kids were taking notes and following them, that shit was dope. I really liked the cut scenes, the edits. That shit was dope when his head like went down there and then popped up in another body, which was his own. It might as well say new clothes, but I don't know. That shit was just cold to me, bro. Everything about them edit transitions was just epic as fuck. I ain't never seen some shit like that. The song was dope, 50 out of 10. The hook was catchy. The energy was there. The things that he was saying were facts. As always, we already know Stormzy is very known to come in with some facts, and he just real about his shit. You feel me? He ain't faking it out here. He doing his thing, and that's why he has a lot of respect, not only in the UK but in the US as well. He up here, you doing big things, bro. But I hope y'all did enjoy today's reaction. Like I said before in the beginning, drop a like, comment in the comment section below, subscribe if you're new and enjoy the content, share the video as well. We're on to 200K, sharing the video because if y'all mess with my reactions, I know the next couple people will. And yeah, man, this is Y.U.S.M.B. Always remember to stay broski, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.